Hello civil engineers, today in this video we are going to learn RC designer. So you can see my building here. So apparently everything is okay, there is no missing property. So multi-structures, no duplicate nodes. Okay, then I'll go and run my analysis. So make sure zero error, zero warning. So done. Then I'll go to concrete design. You can see this is STAAD Pro Advanced Connect Edition. So I'll go to proceed design. So another window will open. So go to envelope. So I'll delete this previous envelope. So need to just select it and then delete. So you need to create a new one. So members. Okay, now go to envelope, select, then after I've selected everything, create new envelope. I go RCC building, then okay, then okay, yes, accept yes. Then from there I will go to members, then select everything, then members, and then go to form members. So I will form my members, you can see them here. Then I will go to select, go to this, and I'll select plates. We'll select for the whole building, and then slab, form slab. Okay, I select that, slab, form slab. Okay, then these slab, form slab. Okay, then these slab, form slab. Okay, then these slab, form slab, and that slab, form slab. Okay, then I'm going to select member, my members have already been formed. Then I'll go to create groups, then I will remove this group that are here, edit, delete, then go to slab, I will delete, edit, delete, and go to here, I will delete this, and then I will create new groups, beam, then beam I will use 8110. I can just use, let me use Euro codes. I think 8110 is available. Okay, and I choose 25, choose 25, then my class for 20 reinforcement. I choose 16, then 16, and then share reinforcement, minimum space is 200, then okay, then new group, column, then column, okay, just class 25 to 30, then my cover is 35, then column factor brace, then load cases or everything, then okay, yes, and then new brief, beam, so slab, then slab, okay, 20 my cover, 20 my class, 25 reinforcement, fixed spacing, my fixed spacing is 200, then bar size, choose prefer 10, and then okay, I can just edit the brief. Let me just use fixed bar size, okay, and then we have chosen that. You can now go to members. I go to top view, I go to select member, select all my columns, select beams, we'll start with this point, go that way. Select all those. I will go back to confirm I've selected this column. So I select that one, selected, select that one, and select all these, and select all that. Then go to 3D, then I will just rotate it, make sure I'm not missing anything. Now you can see, then I can right click, new design group, and call it columns, then call it columns, then okay. And this member, you can see it has been formed, right? So I can go to view, and I can go to side view, select members, and these are my columns. Go to my select members, select, and go to this other view, and go to this other view, select, and just repeat the process. I'm trying to select this beam, oops, then that, and that, and that, check and do that, and that, then that, then go to 3D, all my beams have been selected, and then right click, new design group, beam, and then okay. You can see, and then you can see the members. If you don't see the members here, then there is a error. So you go to columns, you see all the members. Okay. So the other thing, we're going to select all the I'll go to this view. I will select slabs. I select that slab, design group, slab. Okay, I select that. Maybe I select all those, then design group, slab. So you can see, then I have all my design groups. I have no errors. So slab, there's no issue, but as long as it's members, it should show all the members. Then you go to concrete members. Then if you select design, then just design. That is member 108. You can see the warnings. Maybe, I don't know. Okay. So all my columns are, these are my columns. You can see the drawings. You can see. So I'm using the number of bars, size 12, 6. So I mean, maybe that wait, I can go to 3D, see which member is that. You can see. So I can go, maybe now go to beams, design, and design. I see all my beams. Then I can just see my design, and I can see my drawing. I see 2H16. I can see just produce the entire drawing at once. You can just select. So let me get the drawing in terms of DXF. I save it, beam, then just like that. Then I'm saving it in my desktop. So these are my links, which is 8, and then these are my my bars. You can see 2 is sufficient. Then I can just go to my, finally I can go to slabs. I can choose slab 2. Okay, and then design, and then design. And see, I need to use H10 at a spacing of 350. So let's open. Okay, yes, okay. So can see my beam here. that's the way my beam looks like. Okay, then let me generate for slabs. Alright, so go to drawing, go to concrete slab, design, continue spacing, still that, and draw results, then drawing. Then I need to go back to view, go to design. So that is it, right? That's how we do. I am trying to generate the drawing for column, so we need to remove that. Then remove that. It comes first. Yes. Then so I'm done. So thanks guys, please subscribe.